Let's take a moment to try out a little example that should hopefully help drive home a lot of the concepts that we've already covered. I'm going to create a web page or an application that asks a user for their age. And this is going to be like a bouncer at a bar or a club or something. If you are under 21 but over 18, you can enter, but you can't drink. If you're under 18, you're not allowed in at all. And if you're over 21, you can enter with no problems. Okay? And we're going to do this with a prompt that asks the user for their age. And then we're going to use a series of if, else if, and else statements to respond to the user based on their age. So I'm going to create var user age, a variable named user age, set it equal to prompt, how old are you? And let's just make sure that that's working. How old are you? If I write 21, I am not 21, just for the record. All right, let's get started then. So if user age is greater than 21, that means that they can enter no problem. So we'll console.log you may enter. Okay, if user age is greater than 21. Else if user age is greater than 18. Okay, now this means if we arrive at this else if statement, if we arrive here at all in our code, that means that user age is not over 21. Let's do greater than or equal to 21. That user age is not greater than or equal to 21. So that means they must be younger than 21 years of age. So we only need to check here, are they older than 18? We don't need to check two things, if user age is greater than 18 and user age is less than 21. We don't need to do that because this statement has already been covered up here. Okay, so at this point we know the user is younger than 21. All we need to check is, are they older than 18? And if they are, we're going to console.log you may enter, but you can't drink. Else console.log you shall not pass. Okay, so we ask a user for their age and then we evaluate that age. If their age is greater than or equal to 21, you may enter. If their age is less than 21 but greater than 18, you may enter, but you can't drink. Otherwise, that means they're younger than 18, so you shall not pass. Let's give it a try. Reload. 28, you may enter. Reload. 8. Let's do 19. You may enter, but you can't drink. Reload. 10. You shall not pass. I'm going to make user age greater than or equal to 18. That makes more sense. Let's check this. 18. You may enter, but you can't drink. Okay. So there we go. We've created a little bouncer app. Let's see how we can make this a little more complicated. How about if the user is 21, they get a special message. So let's add another else if here. User age equals 21. Then we're going to console.log congratulations on turning 21. You may enter. Okay, so that's if user age equals 21. Now let's check. How old are you? 22. You may enter. How old are you? 21. Congratulations on turning 21. You may enter. And let's do the same for 18. I'm going to do another else if user age equals 18 console.log. Let's do the exact same message, but with a different number. Okay. Reload. I'm 18. Congratulations on turning 18. You may enter. Oh, you may enter, but you can't drink. There we go. And we've used if, else if, and else statements to create a basic bouncer app. We've used comparison operators to evaluate the value of user's age. And based on the value of that age, we give the user a special message that indicates whether or not they can enter and whether or not they are allowed to drink. Okay?